Hey guys, this episode of Tools in Action is brought to you by Lowe's Pro and Southwire.
What's up, you guys? Welcome to the channel. Today I'm at one of my favorite places, my buddy's place, Line-X, right? We have Ben and Sam here, and basically they are the Line-X guys. They are known in the Midwest as the premier Line-X dealer, right? So usually I bring my truck here when it's brand new. Now I've got this beater F250, and I'm not gonna lie, man, this bed is in rough shape, right? I don't even think they're gonna be able to do anything with it. So I just came here, it had this plastic bed liner in it. What do you guys think of this situation that we got here?
She's used and abused for sure, but I think we got a solution, man.
Yeah, I'd say the first solution is to rip this thing right out of there and cut it up and throw it in the dumpster.
Yeah,
I mean, what's the disadvantage of these plastic bed liners versus a Line-X?
well, underneath you're gonna see this thing's banged up. I mean, it's gonna wear all the paint off. If you throw something heavy, it's still gonna dent it. You know?
Right.
If you take our product and bond it to the surface, it's gonna make it way more dent resistant. So, you know, these aluminum beds, that's one thing they're susceptible.
Big time. And this thing's just been chafing the bed the whole entire time it's been in here.
Oh,
so
really?
I
Taking
guarantee
the
you.
paint off.
Yeah, so if we look up right here, here, look at that. There's your paint.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, so that's, we don't want that.
So when this thing's done, it's gonna look like brand new, like the brand new ones that come out of there?
Minus whatever dents might be in there, but
Right.
yeah, I mean, essentially it'll be...
Let's say you get someone that's like, I want to fix the dents. Is there a possibility to fix those dents, or?
yeah, on aluminum it's really tough. You can't pound them out like you can steel.
Okay. But so steel truck, you can bang them out a little bit and make it look a little
aluminum
better.
has a little bit more memory. So
Okay. Now when the Line-X product gets applied, how thick is that thing gonna be?
Be 3/16 on the floor, 1/8 inch on the walls. Lifetime nationwide warranty.
Wow. And you
Yeah.
guys, I don't know if you've guys seen before, but we've done so much Line-X stuff with these guys. We had the trailer that I just got rid of after 7 years, and the guy that was buying it was like, dude, that deck looks brand new. Did you just put it in? I'm like, no, dude, it was Line-X 7 years ago.
Yeah.
You know?
The game.
And
That's
we're
crazy.
gonna do a video on that though. But
7 years ago.
dude, it was 7 years ago.
Holy moly, man.
Yeah.
That's
Time
awesome.
flying
It
when
might
you
have been
fun.
6,
Yep.
but 6 or 7 years ago. But basically, one thing that we never talk about in those videos is one thing that they added to the trailer, which I'm going to have to put on my new trailer, is traction. Nobody talks about that. Dude, the traction. You get, when I first got my first F-150 and I got into bed and it was a little wet, dude, I almost broke my neck.
Oh, it's like a skating rink, man.
Right.
Yeah, absolutely. Yep.
You've got to put this Line-X in it, so.
Yeah.
All right, so let's take it. Wait, before we go, who do they call if they need Line-X?
Call Great Lakes Line-X 815-455-0123.
Yeah, the greatest Line-X in the universe. I promise. Come on down here, check us out. We're at 2510 Route 176, Prairie Grove, Illinois, 60012. Come by.
And we're
Yeah.
open
Check
on
us out.
Saturdays too.
Yeah.
We got you.
Yep, we're here 6 days a week.
They're good guys, you guys. You know, I mean, they're gonna treat you right. They're gonna treat you fair. You know, and they're gonna get the job done, and they're gonna stand by their work. So that's why
Always.
I've come back. I mean, I don't know how many you guys have done for me.
Quite a
Probably
few.
even before I became friendly with these guys. I had a Tacoma and they did it, and I told the Toyota dealer, I'm like, it better not be going to some like Rhino liner place or something. It better be going to Line-X of Great Lakes.
Yeah, ask for us by name. Ask for Line-X. That's what you want in your truck. You don't want some fly-by-night company in there. You want Line-X.
Yeah, and there's a lot of new companies out there doing it, but honestly, why, go away from a true, tried, and tested product?
Lifetime warranty speaks for itself. So.
Yeah.
And our objective is to make that vehicle last as long as possible. That's what we do.
Sweet. All right, let's go see the damage and get this thing rolling.
All right.
Come on, Sammy, get it!
Oh boy. It's looking good. I guess we've seen worse.
This, Dan, is why you do not want to drop in bed liner. It does nothing good for your truck.
It looks bad.
It's horrible. Yeah.
Well, just in case you need some medicine.
Well, they knew it was going to
get
give you heartven once you take it out.
Next to you.
Wow. All right, so this, I mean, usually you guys don't pressure wash, but in an extreme situation
Well, this,
like
yeah,
this,
I mean, there's no choice here. I
You
mean,
need some love.
It's got to be washed out. You know?
and then you're gonna sand it.
Yeah, well, we'll go through our normal process.
Yeah.
And we're gonna get it clean first. And you know, just keep in mind too, we don't charge extra for this. If we get a truck, our objective is to make this thing last as long as possible. So we're just gonna take out of the drop-in, power wash it. We're gonna eat that, pass it on to you know, the customer's, you know, kind of goodwill, and more importantly, get more of those out of trucks. That's the objective.
Yeah. Dude, this thing's horrid.
I mean, look at this truck. It's a beautiful truck otherwise, except for this.
Yeah.
You know? So.
It does more damage than good.
All right, sweet.
And it literally eats it alive, and you don't even know it.
And I mean, if this was not aluminum, we'd have rust everywhere.
Oh, and you'll still have corrosion, but it's, you know, I mean, aluminum oxidizes where, you know, steel rusts.
Right.
White rust. Yeah, they call it white rust.
But aluminum doesn't rust through, or oxidize through, does it? Or can it?
It absolutely can.
Really?
Sure, yeah.
Wow.
Yes, sir. Cool. We'll get it cleaned up and get it rolling.
All right, so Ben, what did we do to this truck? You have different kinds of Line X's?
Yeah, we've got 3 different grades to choose from. We've got our standard, our premium, and our platinum.
Okay.
They're
What's
all
the
the same
difference?
thickness, they're all the same process, the same warranty. It's a different composition of material for different performance levels.
Okay.
So I mean, the standard system is tried and true. It's been in existence since 1993. Same formulation. We developed the premium to basically combat a few things such as fading, chemical resistance, and just overall appearance.
Okay.
And then the platinum was designed to be 300% tougher than the premium. I mean, it's the toughest bed liner known to man.
Wow. So if
yeah.
I'm like heavy duty, I just bought a Super Duty, man. I'm going to be throwing concrete back there,
Yep.
everything. I need this to last. I'm going to go with the premium.
The platinum would be the ideal one. For your truck, we put the premium system in there.
Okay, so mid-grade?
Yep, mid-grade.
Perfect.
Premium system is by far the most popular system we do.
Okay.
And here she is.
There she is. This is the first time I'm seeing it, guys. Let's see what Line-X did to our truck. Holy cow! Oh my god!
Back to good.
Look at that! Dude, it's like a brand new truck.
Yep.
Because we were just talking earlier, it's like I brought a lot of F-150s, you guys, and they're always new.
Yep.
So I'm like, okay, wow, it looks new. But I mean, dude, thank you, sir.
You're welcome.
This really looked bad. I mean,
Yeah.
this was trashed, you guys.
This
I mean,
thing was trashed, yeah.
If I had to go to a body shop to get it fixed, it would have been thousands of dollars.
Yeah, I mean,
you know?
just the resale value, what this product does, if you want to sell this vehicle now, I mean, it's a game changer.
Yeah, now it looks like, this matches the rest of the body because the bed was pretty beat from the guy using it before.
Yep.
So we got a premium on here.
Yep.
How long does it take to do something like this?
Start to finish, with yours, with the exception of having to power wash it, it's typically about a 4-hour process start to finish. We've done over 30,000 bed liners in the store.
Wow.
So we've got a lot of experience. We've got it down to a system that's every single time it's the exact same. So,
right. And like you said earlier, I mean, you're going to go the extra step to make
Always.
sure it's, you're not going to skip a step or anything like that.
Never. It's got to be done right.
Right.
My dad told me when I was growing up, do it right or don't do it at all.
Right.
And that's been our philosophy since day one. And it's never failed us.
Yeah.
So it's pretty awesome. Are you happy, Dan?
Dude, I'm more than that.
Phenomenal.
I'm gonna go flip this thing right now. I'm gonna sell it. You just made this thing worth $2 grand more. Thanks, man.
Yeah,
Thanks.
absolutely, man. And
No,
again, doing the premium is always such an important thing. Making sure that it's going to clean easier, it's going to stay looking beautiful. Especially on a truck like this. It's a little bit beat up, and this just makes the cream rise to the top, man. It's a good looking truck now.
It's sweet, and like I said, I did a trailer 7 years. That thing still had a shine. Everything was still, because I think we used the platinum or the high up stuff on that.
We used the platinum on that. Yep.
You guys, these are great guys here. If you're anywhere in the country and you can't bring your truck here, call them. They'll still, give you tips, give you, all kinds of stuff. You have a local Line-X dealer you're working with. You don't like what the guy said, call these guys. Maybe they'll agree, maybe they won't. Who knows?
We'll help you out. We'll get you pointed in the right direction.
Yeah, and they, like you said, what, 30,000 bed liners?
30 plus thousand.
30,000. And usually when I come here, I mean, there's trucks everywhere. It's full. I mean, usually by the time I'm here, you've got 5 out. When I'm here,
usually.
So definitely good stuff, you guys. What's the number again?
815-455-0123. Great Lakes Line-X, 2510 Route 176, Prairie Grove, Illinois. Greatest Line-X in the universe.
Sam and Ben will take care of you.
Yep. Call and ask for them. Tell them Tools in Action sent you. You guys, comment below on what you want to see Line-X. Give us some ideas. These guys like to mess around. We were just talking pop cans and stuff. What do you want? Like no human beings or animals or anything like that. But we'll try to accommodate.
We've got some ideas. We got some things coming.
We got some cool stuff.
Yep.
All right.
Cool.
Thanks, boys.
All right. Thanks, Dan.
Awesome.
Great job as usual. Peace.
For more exciting tool action, go to toolsinaction.com.
Looking good. All right, Ben, where's the old one? I'll take it and get rid of it for you.
You know what, dude? We got it. We're gonna recycle it free of charge. We do it for every single customer. We're gonna cut it up and have Waste Management. They're gonna recycle it for us. And
all right, sweet. Because I know if I threw that on the curb, the guy wouldn't take it. It's too big.
No, you can't give them away, man.
Yeah.
It's.
I just can't believe
useless.
people still go with drop-ins.
Yeah.
I just don't get it. Is it just inexpensive, or what's the deal?
A lot of dealerships just put them in. They build it into the price of the truck and they put it on the sticker. And that's it's just it is what it is.
Yeah.
But ultimately, we've got a solution. We take them out for free. We don't charge extra. We'll dispose of it for free, and we don't throw them in the landfill. We recycle them.
Dude, there was even a hole in the bed that you guys fixed.
Yep.
That was crazy. I didn't get a picture of it because I didn't even know it was there.
Yeah.
Till you told me.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, we fixed that hole up here. There was a hole up here, you guys. I don't even know where it was.
It was right about here.
You
Yep,
can't
the
even
speed
see
hole.
it.
Yeah.
It's gone.
It's gone.
Sweet.